Hey, it's Ryan. I'm going to play through this song real quick and then we'll talk about it afterwards. I also have a free resource I want to give you, so definitely stick around to the end of the video. Here we go. Let's break into it. Here's verse 1. You give life, you are love, you bring light to the darkness, you give hope, you restore every heart that is broken. And great are you, Lord. Here's the chorus. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise. We pour out our praise. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise to you only. And now let's go back to the bridge. Here we go. Here's the bridge. And all the earth will shout your praise. Our hearts will cry, these bones will sing. Great are you, Lord. Back to the chorus. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise. We pour out our praise. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise to you only. So this song really only has 4 chords. Let me break them down for you. The first one is C major. I'm playing it in second inversion, G, C, E. We also have E minor in first inversion, G, B, E. I'm also playing D major in second inversion, A, D, and F sharp. And there's also a G chord in root position, G, B, D, as well as a G sus chord, G, C, and D. And you're going to want to download my free guide. It's called the Quick Start Chord Guide. It's totally free. You can find that at mccarthymusicschool.com/guide. And it teaches you everything you need to know to be able to play the 5 most common types of chords in worship music, just like the chords you find in this song, so that you actually know what notes go into the chords and you can play them in any key. Let's say your worship leader gives you this song, but they give it to you in a different key. You'd still be able to play it because you'd know all the notes that go into the chord. So definitely find that for free at mccarthymusicschool.com/guide. That'll really help you out. Otherwise, let me know, do you like this super fast format for a song tutorial? If you'd like something a little bit more in-depth, a little bit longer, definitely let me know in the comments. Otherwise, please like and subscribe. Check out another tutorial video over to the side, and otherwise I will see you in the next one. It's your breath in our lungs,